Good everyone, today is May 18th, and to our daily devotion, our topic is entitled The Biblical Meaning of Love. Our verse for today is 1 Corinthians 13:4-7. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast. It is not proud, it does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Ang pag-ibig ay matiyaga at magandang kaloob. Hindi maiinggitin, hindi mayabang, hindi mapagmataas. Hindi magaspang ang pag-uugali, hindi makasarili, hindi magagalitin o nagtatanim ng sama ng loob sa kapwa. Hindi ito natutuwa sa masama, salit ay nagagalak sa katotohanan. Ang pag-ibig ay matiisin, mapagtiwala, puno ng pag-asa, at nagtataga hanggang wakas. So, it is the biblical meaning of love. It is always good if there is things that connect love and wrongdoings, means that it is not love. It can be because of your self-interest. You might say that you love doing wrong things. However, it is for your own selfishness. It is for your own pleasure. And it will affect yourself and other people by saying that you love doing that. Because it is the wrong meaning of love. The biblical meaning of love is not that you love God, but you love us. The biblical meaning of God of love means that God loved us. It is the very first meaning of love. How He loved us. How He do all things. And there is no exemption just to make us feel loved by Him. It is not because we love God, but because He loved us first. Love is not just a feeling, but a collection of acts of kindness. It is all the goodness things that you've done. It is the effort you put on it. Means that you love doing that good things that you did. Practicing God's love makes you beautiful. It will make you beautiful inside and out. It will make you beautiful spiritually. It will make you grow like a blossom. For our application, be biblical by loving like Jesus. We must follow the biblical definition of love and keep on doing that. Keep on reminding us what is the real definition of love. The love like Jesus did. Be careful when you say I love you, because I love you means there is always a connection with the love that will never end, that will never cause any hatred, cause any wrongdoings. Because if you love someone, you will never ever done anything wrong, because it is not love if you did. Be beautiful. Be beautiful inside and out. Being beautiful means you are prosperous and your spiritual life and your connection with God, because being beautiful is connected to being Christ-like.